Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tia Zamara here. If this is your first time seeing me, then obviously you are not subscribed, honey. So go ahead and do that for your girls. Free, it's easy, it only takes one click, okay? As you can tell by the title of today's video, I'm going to be attempting to do the wet look on my short natural hair. I've seen a lot of girls say that their hair was short, and honey, they're damn near bra strap length. If that's what we're considering short nowadays, then I must be bald still. So my hair is somewhere in the 4 category. I don't want to categorize it to just one because I have so many different textures going on up in this head. So I have 4A, 4B, 4C, you know, whatever type of hair, okay? I'm not no real naturalista, okay? So I'm just using products that I know will do well in my hair and products that I'm used to. No, I'm not going to be using a Demon brush, no little curling pudding or anything like that. I'm going to be using my Suave conditioner because I like this conditioner. It smells good and it's cheap, okay? And I'm going to be using this oil. This is Africa's Best herbal oil. Now this oil, I haven't used it in a while, but when I used to use it, it really, like, I felt like my hair really made my hair grow. So now I'm only using this oil because it seemed like in a lot of people's videos they were like basically just trying to weigh their hair down, and what's gonna weigh your hair down better than oil, guys? So I'm using oil. Now I'm trying out a new Eco Styler gel. This is the one that has black castor and flaxseed oil in it. It's as that it promotes hair growth, shines, nourishes, repairs, grows, whatever. Y'all already know about Eco Styler gel, okay? Now I don't really like Eco Styler gel too much. It does give you the perfect, you know, softish curls when it dries. It doesn't really dry all hard or whatever, but I feel like almost all the Eco Styler gels that I have tried flake up in my hair, so we're gonna see if this one doesn't. But yeah, here is my hair. I will be officially 2 years natural on July 18th. Like I said, I don't have that many natural hair videos up because I'm not really a natural type of girl. I don't really like, you know, this short type of look. Give me 2 more years and honey, I got y'all on all the natural videos. I'll get back into the whole natural thing, okay? But let's just get started, okay? So I'm gonna just go ahead and start sectioning my hair off, you guys. My hair dries kind of fast, so as I was preparing to do this video and getting all my stuff together, my hair was started to kind of dry, and that is because I got out the shower and then started preparing for this video versus preparing for this video and then getting in the shower and then just sitting down while my hair was still, you know, wet. So I have a spray bottle on hand that I will use to you know, do what I got to do when I got to do it. Okay. Alright, you guys, so this is what we're going to be working with back here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to damp this section. So I'm gonna just section this off, and I'm going to use my conditioner first because I just feel like conditioner is just, I don't know, like it's just something that I've always done. And anytime I do a wash and go, I always use conditioner and just let it sit in my hair all day. I don't really do all of this extra stuff. And of course, you know, my hair puffs up, you know, as the day goes on. But yes, honey. Then I'm gonna take my Africa's Best so that I can, you know, weigh this bad boy down. Honey, my curls are popping, okay? All right, then top on this Eco Styler. I'm gonna take some of this Eco Styling gel. Okay, and I feel like most people's problems, you know, even though I'm not a naturalista, most people's problems with this was they weren't putting anything on the roots, and you know the roots puff up first, so we gotta put some on the roots, honey. Neck section, brushed out. Conditioner. Ooh, that was too much. Let me just put that over here somewhere. That was too much. All right. Run that through. And then my oil. Run that through. And then, man, my curls are popping. Okay, then the Eco Styler gel. Yo, like my curls are popping. Y'all gotta see this. Y'all gotta see this. Y'all gotta see this. Can y'all see this? Like, what? Like, oh my god. Bitch. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up. Eat it up. I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up. Otherwise, we be here all day, okay? Alright you guys, so this is what we are looking like halfway through. I love my curl pattern. Absolutely love it. The only thing I'm noticing right now is that, I don't know, it's just super white. You can't really tell on camera, but it is super white, so hopefully that will just soak into my hair and just dry how it's supposed to. working with, okay? Love the Carol pattern, you know, love my texture, but the whole short thing just is not for me, okay? So I don't know how I want to style this. A lot of people were styling it by pushing their hair straight back. I don't think that's for me either. So like literally, you guys, I'm not doing this because I want to really figure out, you know, how to achieve the wet look or anything like that. I'm not doing this because this is going to be something that I do. I'm doing this for you guys to, you know, show you guys how my hair looks with my curl pattern, my texture, with doing the little wet look thing. And also showing you guys what the wet look looks like on short natural hair. I know a lot of girls, you know, they go for this type of look, but I'm not that type of girl, okay? I don't really like short hair, unless it's like super short. Like I don't like hair this length. This isn't really doing it for me. Like I don't know. I don't know how I would style this to like make it me. Yeah. But here are my curls. Yeah, I don't know. Let me try a side part. I don't want to do too much because I don't want to mess up like how I already like combed through the curls. But I just want to get it to like a comfortable style for me so that I can let it dry for you guys and see if it still looks good. I don't know. Let me try to add some baby hairs. Okay, so oh my gosh, this is so childish. All right, you guys, so this is the freaking ugly ass fucking wet look. Wet still. Of course, we're supposed to be letting this dry to see if it continues to look like this wet look all day. So I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm going to get prepared for the day. I'm gonna get something to eat, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys and I'm gonna show you guys how my hair looks. Either it will work and it will stay like this, it'll continue to look wet still, or it will poof up and, you know, look like how it looks. I'm really happy with my growth in these 2 years. I'm really happy with my hair texture and my curl pattern, but I look childish as hell right now and I hate it. Like, I do not like shoulder length hair on me unless it's like a bob. Like, like my hair has to be either really short or really long. Like, there is no in between for me. Like, I look so childish right now. I feel like Natural Niecy and all these other girls on YouTube who got this long hair, they look like they were chilling poolside, you know, hot mommy. I look like somebody's freaking child, okay? So, and it's white as fuck. Like, hopefully it doesn't dry flaky. Hopefully it just soaks up and just dries, but I want to get off the camera now. We'll see how this looks. Bye, y'all. Alright, you guys, so I am back. It is now about 5 to 6 hours later. I have been outside. I have done my makeup. I have pretty much just had a nice full day, okay? It's 94 degrees outside, okay? So it didn't take too long for my hair to dry. Usually my hair dries within like an hour, like completely dry, and it will just shrivel up to a little Louisiana crunch cake, okay? But as you see, we're still giving a little length here. We're still giving some nice curl, okay? Now I did get a little bit confused with this whole wet look thing because I did go back and look at a few videos while I was doing my makeup, and some people, it looked, I don't know, but it looked like they were still coming on camera with their hair still wet. And then some people were actually mentioning the fact that they actually let their hair dry before they came back on camera, and they were showing their results of how their hair looked dry and how it still looked like that wet curl. So, you guys seen how my hair looked when it was wet with all the product in it, and now you see how it looks dry with all the products nice and soaked up into it. Nothing really flaked up. I don't have any more white spots on my hair. My hair looks nice and shiny and healthy. I kept some length. I kept my nice little curls. Some areas kind of poofed up just a little bit just because I be playing in it or whatever, because I just can't help it. You know, my hair is usually braided. It's usually under a wig, so it's out. It's, you know, like, ooh, the curls are so fascinating. So yeah, you guys, again, I am not a naturalista. As you see, I didn't use no brush. I used my hands. I didn't use any super high-end products. No curly kinky cream, no leave-in conditioner, no custards, no, none of that. I was not spending no more than $10 on getting this look, okay? That conditioner, that big old bottle, okay? That is $3.50. That oil, $2.50. That gel, $2.50. So, you know, we get what we get. And I think this is, you know, pretty nice for under $10 without using those different products, 3 different products that cost $10 each. So that is pretty much it for today's video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my website, and I will see you on the next video.